Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video tutorial, we're going to get a little bit more practice learning how to create full section views of part files in Fusion 360. So once you have your part open, let's go ahead and get started. You want to come on up to your workspace and change it from design to drawing, from design, and you want to select sheet size A, 11 inches by 8.5 inches. Go ahead and select OK. So by default, it's going to select our front view. We're going to change our front view now to top view. And we're actually going to make a slightly larger um, scale. Let's go with 2:1. Let's go with 1.5:1. All right, and we're going to click in this top left corner. I'm going to make it, I'm going to click visible edges, and then I'm going to select OK. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and bring in my isometric or 3D view. So I'm going to select base view. I'm going to change it from front to home. Okay, and let's use the same scale, 1.5:1. I'm going to select shaded, and I'm going to click in the top right corner, which is where I want it, and I'm going to select OK. So now let's go ahead and bring our side view in. Go back to base view. We're going to change it from front now to right side. Okay, and this time we're going to select visible and hidden edges, and we're going to once again use a scale of 1.5:1, and I'm going to click right down in this bottom right hand corner where I want it, and then select OK. So remember, a section view shows the inside or inner workings of a part. So in this case, we're going to do a section view right down the middle of our side view here. So imagine we could slice it open and see what the inside of this part looks like. So that's what we're going to basically go ahead and do. So come on up, click on section view, or come on down to drawing views and click on section view and click on your part. And when you click on your part, you'll notice you'll get these corners, these green buttons or endpoints, these green midpoints show up. Okay, so we want to go right down the middle. So I'm going to find this midpoint. I'm going to move my mouse up slightly. I'm going to click, then drag my mouse down through the middle. I'm going to click again, and I'm going to right click, continue, and then I'm just going to drag, okay, my section view out so that it's basically right underneath my top view. I'm going to select OK. All right, so now let's go ahead and move some things around a bit. So I'm going to move this guy a little bit up further. Move my 3D view just up a little bit. Click on my section view, AA here. I'm going to move it just underneath my part. All right, here's a little trick in Fusion 360. If you can't get things to move where you want to, zoom in and you can sort of customize your movements a little bit more. So we get something like that. Okay. All right, so now everything looks organized and symmetrical. All right, that'll do it for this video. Don't forget to save it when you're done. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.